Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another quick tip to know whether how you can change the security questions of your PayPal account. Well, to change the security questions of your PayPal account, sign into your account and go to Security tab under Settings. Here, click on Security Questions, and here you can select and change the security questions of your choice. Then click on Save. Then it may or may not send you a verification code on your cell phone. If it sends, then just add that by clicking on the next button to confirm it. And this is how you can change the security questions of your PayPal account. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.